If a car is used for a prolonged period, the tyres may become dirty and not produce enough grip. Clean the tyres by unrolling a section of tape and running the tyres one by one over a clean section of tape a few times to remove any dirt or debris on the tyres. This will significantly improve grip. You could also remove the tyres and replace with a fresh set if necessary. Now your Scalextric car is in tip-top shape and will be race ready. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Scalextric YouTube channel for more.